Being a progressive company, Advantis has gone beyond logistics and gone into the field of construction and engineering. I'm proud to say that Advantis Engineering has taken large strides within a short period of time by developing their know-how, knowledge and expertise. I'm proud to also say that we've been able to win the largest warehousing project in Sri Lanka, and through the expertise that they have brought in prefabricated steel buildings, technology and the expertise that they have built within, we've been able to get to great heights during a very short span of time.
As Advantis Engineering, our primary focus is delivering a quality product on time to our client. We have been thriving on this aspect in almost all the projects we have delivered up to now. All this is done whilst maintaining very high safety standards with zero incidents.
We are proud to construct the largest warehouse in Sri Lanka using pre-engineered steel building technology. The products stand tall as our greatest achievement, as a symbol of our hard work, commitment and constant innovative mindset to provide the turnkey solutions to the construction industry in Sri Lanka. We are thankful to Camsol Oster Private Limited, Access Engineering and WS Logistics for trusting us with this project on such a magnitude project with the constant support given throughout the duration.